Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to send bulk messages to a lead list on Facebook using the MKT Care software. With this feature, you can use it for cold outreach. You can use it to grow your SaaS. You can use it to build your personal brand, or for any purpose you want. For those who are not familiar with MKT Care yet, you can check out my previous videos about MKT Care, or visit the website that I've put in the description. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. And on the screen you're seeing right now is the main interface of the software. To send bulk messages, go to the messaging function and select messaging. Here, I will choose the accounts that I want to use for bulk messaging. I'll select 35 accounts. Next, on the right side, I will set up the configuration from top to bottom. The delay between two actions will be 10 to 20 seconds. Next, I will select the message content that I want to send. I've already added the content in advance. To add message content, you can go to the Content Management section here and add it. In the messaging configuration, you can choose to send messages to a page ID list, a profile ID list, or to friends. Here, I choose to send messages to profile IDs. Next, I will paste the list of profile IDs that I prepared earlier into this section and save it. Okay, after finishing all the configurations, I will click Start, and the software will begin working. As you can see on the screen, the software starts opening browsers. Each browser corresponds to one account, and it begins sending messages in bulk. With this method, you can easily and quickly send up to 10,000 cold DMs per day. Alright, that's it for this video. I've shown you how to send messages to a Facebook lead list every day. If you're interested in the tool or need a solution for a specific campaign, please message me via Telegram or WhatsApp for consultation and tool setup support. Thank you for watching the entire video.